In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit Agent for beginners. Whether you're just starting out with app development or looking for a seamless way to create a website, Replit Agent is a fantastic tool that simplifies the entire process using AI. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to head on over to replit.com. Once you're there, you need to either log into your existing account or, if you don't have one yet, sign up to get started. Creating an account is straightforward and only requires basic information, but having it ready ensures you can take full advantage of all the features Replit has to offer. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to create a new project. You'll see a button labeled Plus Create App. Give it a click. This option is your gateway to starting a fresh project with just a few clicks, making it incredibly easy to jumpstart your coding journey without any hassle. The magic really begins here as you opt to create with Replit Agent. This phase is where you utilize the power of AI to shape your vision. Take a moment to think about the app or website you'd like to create. Then describe this idea to the AI. The more vivid the description, the better. Don't worry if you're unsure where to start. Think about the purpose of your app or site. Feel free to describe the functionality you're looking for or even the type of audience you're hoping to reach. Imagine you're simply having a conversation with the AI and let it take the reins. Once you've outlined your idea, it's time to give the AI all the details it needs. Whether it's specific features, design aesthetics, or functionalities you want included, make sure you're clear and thorough. A well-defined vision allows the AI to craft a fully customized and potentially impressive website that meets your needs. Remember, the more input you provide, the more tailored the result will be. After describing your desired application, hit the Start Chat button. This action kicks off a conversation with the AI where it begins formulating a plan for your project. It's an exciting moment because you get to see how technology interprets your ideas and brings them to life right before your eyes. Sit back and wait for the AI to generate a detailed plan. The time this takes can vary, but it's often quicker than you'd expect. Once the plan is ready, it's important to carefully review it, pay close attention to every detail, ensuring it aligns with what you had in mind. If all looks good, give it your approval. But if there are any adjustments or enhancements you'd like to make, feel free to communicate further with the AI. It's perfectly capable of understanding your requests and making modifications as needed. With these steps completed, you're well on your way to creating your very own app or site, thanks to Replit Agent. Embrace the ease of using AI to bring your digital dreams to life and enjoy the process. Happy coding!